Hello and welcome on this Skyzen's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to add a limit to one of your aircrafts. Firstly, you have to go in the aircraft details page of the concerned aircraft. When you're on the aircraft details page, go to Limits tab, then select the type of limit you want to add. The mixed limits are composed of two limits, and the first of the two limits which is reached automatically reaches the other one. Then click on Add Limit. Select the limit type, if it's an AD, an ASB, a parts or an administrative limit. Then complete the limit's data, number, title, and if the limit is repetitive or not. If the limit is repetitive, select the time to reach, date to reach, or cycles to reach, then complete the frequency and the tolerance. When you save your limit, it is automatically added to the aircraft cardex. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question, send us an email at support@skyzen.fr.